How to place an order on forex.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can trade or place an order on forex.com. So for that case, first of all, go ahead and make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. First of all, you need to decide on your forex pair to trade with. After that, you need to log in into your platform and select your chosen forex pair. Then you need to go ahead and select the browse market tab and then select euros or USD. Then you need to review in-depth details. Now this will give you all information about the market in one convenient place. Easy access to details such as financing and charging as well. Once done completing the steps, now you can go ahead and place your buy order. So to buy euros or USD, select the green buy button. This will open the deal tickets. In the quantity section, enter the size of your trade in base currency unit effectively and how many euros you want to buy. Now you can go ahead and enter 10,000, also known one mini lot, and then you can just go ahead and place an order. So that is how you can place an order on Forex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.